Hello all, welcome to Narad Mazdas Academy. Our daily current affairs including GS and GK. Let's move to the first question. Which state government has recently launched Lokpat mobile app for resolving road problems? The given options are, and the correct answer is A, Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav introduced the Lokpat mobile app to enhance transparency and public welfare. Developed by the Works Department, the app aimed to improve the state's 40,000 kilometers highway by enabling the public to report road issues. The next question. Recently, Hemant Soren took oath as the Chief Minister of which state? The options are, and the correct answer is B, Jharkhand. Hemant Soren of Jharkhand Mukti Morcha, that is JMM, was sworn in as Jharkhand Chief Minister for the third time by Governor CP Radhakrishnan. Previously CM from 2013 to 14 and 19 to 24, Soren resigned in January 2024 before his arrest in a money laundering case. The next question. Recently, where was the Global Conclave on Plastic Recycling and Sustainability, that is nothing but GCPRS, inaugurated? The options are, and the correct answer is C, New Delhi. The Global Conclave on Plastic Recycling and Sustainability commenced at Bharat Mandapam Pragati Maidan, New Delhi, with Chief Guest Srimati Nivedita Shukla Verma inaugurating. Key attendees including AIPMA and CPMA leaders. The next question. Recently, Sir Keir Starmer has been appointed as the new Prime Minister of which country? The given options are, and the correct answer is A, United Kingdom. Sir Keir Starmer has been appointed as the UK's 58th Prime Minister by King Charles III on 5th July 2024. The next question. Duran Cup, recently seen in news, is associated with which sports? The given options are, and the correct answer is D. Football. The 133 Duran Cup, Asia's oldest club-based football tournament, starts on 27 July 2024 and ends on 31st August 2024. The matches will be held in Kolkata, Kokrajhar, Jamshedpur, and Shillong, with Jamshedpur hosting for the first time. The next question. Karuvattu Mana Vasudevan Nambodri, who was seen in news, is associated with this profession. With which profession? The options are, and the correct answer is C, artist. Renowned artist Karuvattu Mana Vasudevan Nambodri, popularly known as Artist Nambodri, passes away. Nambodri illustrated characters of top Malayalam writers such as Thakis Shivashankara Pillai, Keshavdev, M.T. Vasudevan Nair, Europe, S.K. Pottikat, and V.K.N. He was also a painter, sculptor, and art director. The next question. Which leader was honored with the Grand Cross of Legion of Honor? The options are, and the correct answer is C, Narendra Modi. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi was honored with the Grand Cross of Legion of Honor by French President Emmanuel Macron. The prestigious recognition is the highest honor best owned by France, whether in military or civilian reliefs. The next question. Uman Chandi, who passes away, was the former Chief Minister of which state or which union territory? The given options are, and the correct answer is B, Kerala. Former Kerala Chief Minister Uman Chandi passes away at the age of 79. He served as the Chief Minister from 2004 to 2006 and 2011 to 2016. And the next question is, which institution has developed the Bharatiya Vastra Evam Shilpa Kosh portal? The given options are, and the correct answer is B, NIFT. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the Bharatiya Vastra Evam Shilpa Kosh, a repository of textiles and crafts e-portal during the National Handlooms Day celebrated in New Delhi. The next question. Who was Dr. V.S. Arunachalam, who passes away recently? The given options, and the correct answer is D, former DRDO Director General. The former DRDO Director General Dr. V.S. Arunachalam passes away recently in the USA at the age of 87 years. He was the head of DRDO and was the scientific advisor to the defense minister from 1982 to 1982 to 1992. The next question. Who has been recognized as the Election Commission of India, that is nothing but ECI, national icon for voters awareness and education. And the given options are, and the correct answer is B, Sachin Tendulkar. The Election Commission of India has recognized former Indian cricketer and batting legend Sachin Tendulkar as India icon for voter awareness and education. Tendulkar signed a 3 years memorandum of understanding with the ECI in an event held in New Delhi. During the event, Chief Election Commissioner Rajiv Kumar and Election Commissioner Wen were present there. The next question. Dr. Shanta Gautam, who received the World Innovative Award, is the Chief Innovative Officer of which state? The given options are, and the correct answer is B, Telangana. Telangana Chief Innovative Officer, that is nothing but CIO, Dr. Shanta Gautam received the World's Innovative Award at the first BRICS Innovative Forum hosted in Moscow. The award is given for understand outstanding contribution to the sustainable development, that is Goal 4, that ensure the inclusive and equitable equality education and promotes lifelong opportunity for all. The next question. Which city topped the Swachh Vayu Surveksha 2023 Clean Air Survey? The given options are, and the correct answer is Indore. A. Union Environment, Forest and Climate Change Minister Bhupendra Yadav announced the results of the Swachh Vayu Survekshan 2023. It is nothing but Clean Air Survey. Indore, Madhya Pradesh climbed the top spot among million plus population cities. The survey in its second year included 130 identified cities under the National Clean Air Program. Agra, Uttar Pradesh secured the second rank, followed by the Thane, Maharashtra in third place. The next question. Shanti Swarup Bharat Nagar Awards are presented to which people associated with which profession? The options are, and the correct answer is B, scientist. The prestigious Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Awards for 2022 were recently announced after a 1 year delay. These awards, which recognize outstanding scientific under 45 years of age, were presented to 12 exceptional research in various fields of science. The next question. In Wilmut, who was seen in the news, was associated with which profession? The given options, and the correct answer is also A, scientist. Sir Anne Wilmot, renowned for leading the scientific team behind the creating of Dolly the ship, the world's first cloned mammal from an adult cell, has died at the age of 79. Dolly was the first animal cloned from the cultured mammary cell, combining cell for two